You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French, meaning a delight. It can also mean a deli, like something really delicious. Essentially, that's what it means. Something that is delicious is a délice, is how it's said in French. Yes, so you could spell it D-E-L-E-S, essentially. Délice. Délice. Some may pronounce the E a bit at the end, depending on the accent, and say it as délice, but generally the E is kind of silent at the end. Délice. So in English, délice. Yeah, you know, now you got it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.